we're gonna open, guys, push pop. Nanay, can you open my push pop?
Wait lang.
Wow.
Nanay will
Tanggal.
remove the
Tape, plastic. Guys. Wow.
here's the taklim.
This is yummy.
What's the taste?
Good. This is blue raspberry.
Si
It
Leah
says
din daw ang
blue
bubble.
raspberry. And Leah has to look at, guys. He has push pops too. Yummy. My tongue is turning blue. Nanny, look at my tongue.
Oh!
It's blue?
Yes.
Hindi naman nabawasan ang gamit ni Paul. Gawin natin yung maglalagay doon.
We are gonna open and baba and this is how we're gonna open. First, you need to ganito.
Palipat na sila. Tuntupalan na lang yung mga kabin.
Here's
Klase lang. Tapos klase na rin yung mga bata.
Syrup, guys. Itong pangalan, Push Pop Candy. Nabay ka namin sa Save More. Na yun.
Ako nag-order sa amin. Grab.
Ang asim, guys.
Hindi ko kumain ng noodles kanina.
But it tastes good. And like and subscribe so we can have 100 videos. And bye bye, guys. Bye bye.